Hey, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I'm firstly going to start off by making a middle path in the front section of my hair. Then I'm going to brush my hair to the back and tie it up, and I'm also going to take out some hair for my edges. Now I'm going to be applying some Iso Plus styling gel to help make my hair sleek. Now I'm going to brush my hair and tie it up. Thereafter, we'll make a bun. You want to make sure your bun is as small as possible. I took a piece of braiding hair and then I made this braid. I also left out a section of it to wrap around the braid. I'm now going to add the braiding to my hair. I will wrap the scrunchie around the bun 2 times and then I will secure it with a bobby pin. I am now going to take that piece of braiding hair and then I'm going to wrap it around the top part of the braid. This step is optional. I will be laying my edges. Last and final step, I'm going to add some beads to the bottom section of the braid. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you liked and enjoyed this video, then smash that like button and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.